Hello, my name is Razix and welcome back to Elden Ring. So, what I'm thinking is, we have this whole area over here to explore, and I just hope that I can get down from like here or something, because I'm going to go and sort of do the mana request thing. Matter of fact, we can just take these off now. And like I said, we do need to pick up the map that's here and somehow get to this map. I'm just going to run around like a headless chicken and hope for the best. Like I said, that's the best I have. Like I said, I didn't explore sort of this area because I ignored the giants because I was too interested in searching the castle. Which, you know, we had a good boss. I liked the fact that he literally punched my face in with one leg. Or kicked my face in with one leg. That's even more impressive. Yeah, let's see what's sort of here. I need to sort of get my bearings and sort of how the terrain is. And see, they're all fighting each other, so they're not going to care about me. There's always goodies in these huts. That's one thing the game has taught me. There's goodies in the hut. See, look at those goodies. They're useful, but still goodies nevertheless. So how far down is this? Oh my god, it is literally... Okay. Huh. How though? How do I get down there? Maybe this is where that lift comes into play. Maybe I have to go... I really am a bit confused of where to go. Because I have this medallion, and I think that's where I need to go. I just don't know. Join medallions. The Great Lift. But I've been to the Great Lift and it didn't do anything. Huh. The only other place to go is over here, but I don't know how to get there, so you know, we'll try right instead. God, this episode's just going to be me just running around like, oh, what about over here? Here? Nope. So I just haven't been over there, have I? No, I haven't. This place is more difficult to navigate than any other place. You can't get up from down there, I don't think, unless I missed a little path. I mean, these are people right here that you can see that decide to hang themselves rather than find the way through all this. Still, I'll still live here. Oh wait, I was on this. How did I get onto you? Never mind, I'm stupid. There's a ramp. But I guess we'll just follow this around. So, Torrent, it's a good thing that you're nice and woolly. And we also need to find... Should I be talking to all the jellyfish? Because there was someone who was the sister and it was a talking jellyfish. Oh, I think I actually have found the way to go. No, right. I am worried that boss is literally just going to come out of the sky and try and kill me. It just feels big, open, and... Oh. Feeling cold. God damn it. Go away. What did I just say? Stupid, bloody, frosty, freezy dragon. Go away. I have 2 frames here. Go away. Don't want to fight you in the fog. Ow. That's cheating. You're not allowed to tail swipe me. And I am staying on Torrent for this. Come on. Have a drink, Torrent. On me. Oh my god. Hey, look at that. I can get under you now. There's nothing you can do about it, aside from that. Sorry, Torrent. Have another drink. Oh god, I hate dragons that learn their weakness. Oh no. No, 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 no. My frames. God damn it, Torrent. Can't see you. But why does everything want to hurt me? I'm fighting the dragon that's hurting you. Leave me alone. Dodge too soon. Ah. Didn't think I'd be tackling a big fuck off dragon in this episode. I'm dead. God damn it. Oh. I hate you, Bryn. It's your fault they put a boss here. It's your fault. If you didn't think there were a boss, there wouldn't have been a boss. Well, to be fair, I do see a cave here. So there's probably going to be a bonfire here. Let me just quickly unlock it. We have plenty of these things. Yeah. So come on, please be a bonfire here. I just want one closer to this boss in case I get my... Thank you. Unless I get my ass handed to me. And I'll explore this after I beat the dragon that's already irritated me. Oh, how dare you. Maybe... Ah, you know what? I bet you, when I kill this dragon, the stupid mist will go away. I'm also a bit worried about me falling off something here. There we go, just run towards my big shiny light. Because I know you're here. Hello. I hate you. Bad dragon. Runes? Runes. Grab that. Ah, it's not even worth picking them up. Right, you. Big misty boy. I'm getting wise to your sneaky tricks. Don't know what to do against that though, but it's fine. Oh god, this dragon is more difficult than the rest. I suppose that's why you've got an actual title instead of just dragon. But we'll just handle you like the rest. And just back off. You should be bleeding soon, to be fair. What are you doing? What are you doing? No, 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 no. No stompy. Back off. Come in. So it seems like if I'm not on the front of him, we're A-okay on that shout. I'm not there. Are you having problems? Now I know I do more damage if I hit him in the head. But the problem with being on the head of a dragon, that's where the teeth... Never mind. Thank you. You know what? Sometimes accidents happen and you're happy about them. I guess just smacking a dragon in the face might be the best way to tackle them, but he's dead. And now can I have my frames back? Can we clear the fog? The fog? No, it's still misty and whatnot. So yeah, let's quickly go over and unlock the map for this area because, well, I want another layout of this place. Although I'm really not sure how you get on this side. Yeah, I'm really not sure. Oh, a church. This is actually more important. There's normally flask upgrades in these. But hey, like I said, we dealt with the frost dragon. I would say that's a good video. We could just call it here, you know? Kill the boss, easy. See you guys in the next episode. Oh yeah, and I still need to hand you in. Oh, first things first. Grab you. Alright, let's go and do some flask upgrading. One of these days they're going to put something very horrible in this church just because the developers hate me. I don't think I have another. No. Can I? Aha! Can I do another? No. Wait, whoa. Hang on. What? What did that say? Oh. I see. So how do I want to allocate these then? Not sure, we'll have just 10 of one and 4 of another. So 14 is the max flask you can have. I'm definitely getting to the end game, aren't I? If we've got that. And this is telling me to go over here. You know what? I'll listen to you. You've never guided me wrong. Aside from that one time when you wanted me to drown myself. But other than that, you know, we're friends. How are you alive dogging this? Here, let me help you. No. You do not live. Thank you. Ah, this is how he's staying alive. Well, unfortunately, it's my loot dogs. I'm the alpha wolf. Be gone. Yeah, the downside to being on torrent, things can be difficult to hit. And they also should have leveled up. Yeah, it's not like I'm gonna lose them. Totally not. Alright, so this is gonna lead up. Yep. We'll do you in a minute. I just want to get the map for this area. So another castle. Well, we know there's a bonfire in there, but is there one not there? Come on, bonfire anywhere, please. You'd think that'd be easy to find in the snow. Oh, I haven't seen you guys in some time. Oh, it's one of these seals as well. The question is this one that I can break? Alright, what do I need to do? Falling snow marks something hidden. I hate to tell you this sign, but that's not very helpful. It's really not that helpful. Dear, you've been here long enough. What's it trying to tell me? Falling snow. How obvious would it be? You leave me alone. I'm trying to figure out a puzzle. I'm not sure what it means. Oh, I just want a bonfire for Christ's sake. Well, I'll come back to that later. I doubt there's anything of interest in there, honestly. I seem to be relatively happy with what I've got. I guess I'm just going to have to head to the big castle. Anyway, big castle it is. So, how many catapults and whatnot are going to be fired at me? Oh. You know what? Oh, wait. Bonfire. So now I can go back and do that. I wish people wouldn't do this, put messages on these. Alright, so let us go back to that place. Well, these fire slopes should be more spread out. They would do a better job at getting rid of the snow. Not that I want that to happen. Yeah, it's bugging me now. What would that tower mean? Falling snow. I could just stop the recording and just, you know, look around. But first things first. Big boss. Big angry boss that's going to kill me lots of time. Never mind, he's weak. I'll let you do something. Alright, you powered up. Still didn't help you. No. You know, things around this area is, you know, they're a lot more difficult than you. Ah. Still doesn't matter. I have more flasks than you. You had one flask. That's cute. Were you at my table? Oh. Bringing out the moves. Yeah. Oh, wow, okay. Ooh. I bet I can have that ability. The reason why I didn't sort of kill him is because I'm curious what he did. Because unfortunately, he just doesn't know what to do against a certain ability. Aha, there it is. Might be a new piece of armor? Maybe. So yeah, more incantations that I unfortunately will not use. Alright. Shall we just go into the castle? Yeah, let's just go into the castle. I really need this map and it's on the other side. At least I hope it's on the other side. Just grab some butterflies along the way. So we're just going to ignore everything. And by ignore everything, get completely distracted where I wanted to go and go right into the castle. Guardian Garrison. Oh. Oh, hi. Ow. I was hoping to get the dog. Oh, I hate dogs. Come closer, Alright. Oh, god damn it. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. You want some time to different slashes in order. I hate dogs. Just wanted to have a little look around and then just Big Chungus and his pupper comes and murders me. Yeah, this guy. Alright. Let's go grab these. Alright, you. So much easier when it's only one of them. Right, where you and your mutt? Oh, what the hell? Why have you got a special name? Ah! Hit books! Go away! Alright, now we can deal with you, Flame Guardian. There, easy. Jesus. Oh. Oh. Why does everything want to kill me? I swear, animals are one of the few things that just seem to consistently hit me. I don't know what it is. Whether it be rats or dogs. How do I get up there? Boom, boom, boom. Oh my god. There's a ladder. Christ, I am blind. Jesus, I am blind. Sometimes, how do I function in life? How do I function? Nice tracking there. You know, I might just be better going, like, full throttle on these. Dead. He, she, whatever this thing is. There we go. Right. There we go. Just don't want her climbing up and killing me. Aha. Alright. We're moving very slowly through this. Yeah. Probably be a boss at the top of it that, you know, pushes me off. I'm just saying no to that. Just hell no. Who? Chief Guardian. Oh, shield boy. Shield boy with magic. Oh boy, aren't you a fun person. You know what? Fine. Interestingly enough, I think Catch Flame might be one of the best spells in the game, and you can start with it. Just because it's just so quick. But I have a spell on my blade that's really quick. I hate you, go die. One eye shield. I could say a dirty joke there, but I'm not going to. Okay, so what the hell is up here? What's on top of this place? What are you being guarded? Where is your loot? It better be good. If not, well, I can't do anything about it, but still. Giants. The problem is the dude that I gave books to, he's gone. He said he was off for a walk. I honestly can't remember what he said. So let's go grab the map, and then I'm going to have to, I don't know, try and figure out what I'm going to do next. Because right now I'm just running around. I haven't seen anything of interest that sort of piqued my curiosity. Right now I'm just kind of wandering around in... Oh, it's a torch boy. Hi. I suppose it would actually keep you warm, having a torch on your head in this weather. Oh goody. Oh goody. Yeah, this possibly will end with me getting knocked off by something. I'm seeing a lot of giants here. And a cozy bonfire. Okay, so what is this place? Show me. Well, that looks interesting right there. Yeah, there must be a way over here. It's got to be. Oh, I've nearly uncovered the whole map. But I bet you there's something here. This just feels like there's something above, like an extra area. Well, let us just have a wander around here. I'm worried about all the bloodstains. Not gonna lie, the bloodstains concern me. 2 levels. Beautiful. So yeah, we're just gonna go for dexterity, and we don't need to kill these. Just wander on by. So that looks interesting, and that's it. Wow, there's a whole lot of nothing, and of course this, but I'm probably just gonna dash past everything. Flame Peak. You alive? No. I'm made of rock. Hi. I'm sorry, I'm invading your lands. Boo-hoo. Get over it. So this is why I put markers down, because I can't open my map right now. Oh, great birds. Hey. Yoink. Ow, I deserved that, actually. I know, it was your food, not mine. I apologise, but he was looking at me. Hey, as long as you're not fighting me. Ooh, another church. Excuse me. Oh, invasion. Yeah, man. Invade me. You know you want to. Hey, there we go. Who are you? That's a cool weapon. Yeah, and it, ooh, it hurts. Ow! You know what? Fuck you. Just wave it around. Interestingly enough, they don't know what to do against that ability. But what? Just gonna hit him. Whoop! Oh, man. How am I gonna get you? Thing is, I know your moveset because I've used it, and yet I'm failing spectacularly at it. Yeah, you know what? He's a dodgy boy, so which one is it? There you are. There we go. One more comboed. Rivers of Blood, eh? I have your sword. Ooh. Now that is a contender for me wearing a mask. We'll think about it. For now. So actually, just out of curiosity, what are the stats for this new katana I just yoinked from this dude? Where are the katanas? River of Blood, River of Blood. Oh, it's an arcane weapon. Don't care. If it was in, I would think about it. But it's not. So yeah. Do I have enough time now? I don't think I do. So yeah, when we come back, we're going to explore this sort of section. And then maybe try and figure out how to get over here, because I am at a complete loss. Bothers me that this part of the map is unexplored. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, I stream on Twitch, so come say hello. Or don't. I can't really control you.